Okay, so now that we've put on our eyeshadow, I'm gonna just take the a bullet brush, and I'm just going to do my lower lid. Again, going back into that Wonder Beauty color, Sand Dollar. We're going to do a wash of color underneath. That Sand Dollar. And then we're going to put that Golden Reef color, this one over here, tapping off the excess. And it does have a mirror, so you can actually use the mirror from the palette to put on your lower. I'm just going to focus it on the back half of my lower lid, and I am getting fallout, so I'm going to brush that all away once I lay down this color, that is. And then I'm going to wipe off the excess, and using that same bullet brush, I'm going to go back into the Naked Cosmetics Loose Pigment. Hang on. I'm just going to turn it upside down so I can get some of the pigment onto the lid of the top. And then again, using that same bullet brush, I'm going to take what was spilled onto the top, and I'm just going to add that to the front half of my look. And just blend it in with the color that I put on the back half, so it kind of mirrors what's going on top. Alright, so now that we have that down, we're going to now go into first, I'm going to spray my face with a little Fix Plus. I love this spray, by the way. This is the Cherry Blossom from the Bloom Bloom Spring Collection. Oh, it smells so good. You guys remember my rose gold fan, right? Alright, so now that that is on, I'm just going to take some blush, put a little blush on, because I don't have that in my I don't have any blush in my cap for today, so I'm gonna have to go back with my Old Faithfuls. And then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty. This is Caramel Cutie. And I'm just going to take my angled brush and put a little bit of bronzer on. Adding some color onto my face. Alright, so now that we have the bronzer on, I'm going to grab a highlight brush. Now we're going to go into that IBY highlighter. This is in 24 karat gold. I think this is called. Yes, 24 karat magic. That's what it's called. All right, so we're going to take our brush, dip it in, tap off the excess, and just put that on. Woo! Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Really cute. Put some down the center of my nose. And a little bit on the Cupid's bow. And just because, you know, I'm a little extra, I'm going to take that bullet brush. I'm just going to put a little bit on underneath my brow. And I'm also going to put it in my inner corner. Why not? Use it as a little inner corner highlight. Let's do the other side. Not bad, I like it. All right, so now that we have that down, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer and grab a little mirror. We're going to put some primer on these top lashes and the lower lashes because we're just doing a look with mascara today. So we're gonna prime these lashes. And this is actually a cute look for when you are just running errands and you don't want to, you know, do a whole lot. You just want to have a little something on your face. On this side, I'm going to use the Il Maquillage. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is from the Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy. I'm going to use that on this eye. So this is the first pass. And I gotta say, I'm kind of digging these, I'm kind of digging this mascara. I'm not mad at it. Really pretty. Really pretty. And that's just one coat. So I'm very happy. We're gonna try the Bad Girl Bang on this eye. So same thing. It's kind of a similar wand that's really interesting. Okay. This one goes on a little bit wetter than the other one. But I'm liking the lift that I'm getting out of this as well. Now let's do the lower lashes. Again, I'm not mad at this mascara. Bad Girl Bang is good as well. Although Bad Girl Bang is a little wetter, I think because it's a little wetter, it gave me a lot more lift than this one. I can definitely see the difference between the two. So I don't know. The jury's still out. I like them both, but I think the Bad Girl Bang, because it's a little wetter, I can feel it coating my lashes a little bit more than this one. With this, I only think I need one coat and I'm done. With this side, with the Il Maquillage, I would probably need to do another coat to get it to be as plump as this one. So let's put on some lipstick, and before I do that, I feel like my lips are a little chapped because of this cold and fever that I've been having. So I'm just gonna scrub a little bit to make these lips ready for some liquid lipstick. I think I got it all. So let's wipe bit of my this was the Buttercream antioxidant lip scrub by Indie Beauty. It's really good. And now I'm just adding some Jouer, just a light coat, just to prep these lips for lip colors. And then I just wipe off the excess. Alright, so I got 2 lip colors, right? So we're going to try them both. The first one is Smashbox. And again, this is the color Stepping Out. So actually, before I put that on, let me put a little liner on. This is BFF4. This is the ColourPop and Makeup Shayla collab. I always try to line the lips and then I blot them, just so there's not a severe line, especially when I'm using a nude lip color. So this is the Smashbox. That's pretty. What do you guys think? What do you bellas think? I like it. I'm actually going to put the Versailles on top. This is another liquid lipstick, but it does have a little reflex in it. So I'm going to add it to the bottom. And I'm just going to blot. Okay, add a little something to it, not too much. I've used just about everything makeup wise. I've used just about everything with the exception of the nude stick because I already have on some foundation, but happy to do another look using that if you want to see it on the channel. And if you want to see anything on this channel, hit me up in the comment section below. As always, I want to know what you got in your Ipsy or Sephora box. And if you don't have Ipsy or Sephora, hit me up in the comment section below anyway and let me know what subscription you do, because I always am on the hunt for a great bargain. You know, I'm a bargain bella at heart. Even though we do lips, lashes, and luxury, I like them at a reasonable cost. So head on back over here very, very soon. Don't forget to leave us a like. Also subscribe, and when you subscribe, tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. In case you missed anything, I'm going to leave that video right here to catch you up on all things Brown Girl Bella. And until I see you again, deuces.